Hi everyone! First one, Mabuteng. 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 Let's say that again. Mabuteng. Mabuteng. Teng. Mabuteng. Mabuteng means scared or afraid. Example, Mabuteng isuna. Mabuteng isuna. She's afraid or he's afraid. And our second one is Mabain. Mabain. Mabain means shy or bashful. Example, Mabainak. I'm bashful or I'm shy. Mapan ka jay birthday party ni Rosa? Haan. Mabainak. Third one, Nakuttong. 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 Nakuttong means skinny. Example, Nakuttong isuna. She is skinny or he is skinny. Fourth one, Nabanglo. Nabanglo. Nabanglo means fragrant. Nabanglo daytoy sabong. Our fifth one. Last one, nalaing. 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 Nalaing means intelligent or in Tagalog, matalino. Example, nalaing ni manang ko. Nalaing ni manang ko. Nalaing ni manang ko. My older sister is intelligent. That's all for tonight. Until next time, let's learn another 5 adjectives on the next video. Bye!